Here, this is the car wash area, and this is the cafe. Yeah. Let's check it out, guys. Somphot. So beautiful. Wow. Nice. Husband and wife team. So the husband operates the car wash behind, the wife operates the cafe here. Power. This is like, yeah, it's like so ideal, you know what I mean? Yeah. Bon appetit. Okay guys, guess how much my car wash is? 70 baht. 70 baht. Okay, and they did a pretty good job, yeah, and supported the coffee and bought the biscuits, yeah. So support local, guys. I mean, you know, come to a place like this, you don't go Starbucks, you don't go to branded chains car wash or anything like that. Just support local, man. Yeah, that's what we do, man. Yeah, see you next video.